Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'm standing underneath a 2004 Dodge Ram. It has a 5.7 Hemi engine, and we just did some custom exhaust on it. So we have a Ben Pearson really nice exhaust bender, which we could probably show you a picture near the end of the video. The machine that we have dies, custom made dies that go all the way to 3-inch. So that's what we've done here, is we've installed a 3-inch exhaust system. The reason why we're showing you this Dodge is because it's probably one of the trickiest exhaust systems to do on trucks because of the lack of room. And as we go down, we'll show you there's a gas tank and a spare tire. It's always in the way on these Dodge trucks. So what we've done is a client brought us this truck. If the camera person starts coming a little bit closer. So the client brought the truck with these aftermarket headers on them. So he removed the original exhaust manifolds and he got these aftermarket headers. And then what we did is basically from here back. So we're in Ontario, Canada. It is a requirement by law to have catalytic converters installed and operating. So we have a supplier for slim line or short version cat converters. And then as we come back here, you can see behind the catalytic converter, we've got a bung welded in on each side. You can notice right now it's just got a plug. So we've drilled a hole, we've welded in a bung on each side, and then we have the plugs in because we have to get extensions for the original factory rear O2 sensors. And it's on back order, so they're ready for the bungs. As we come down, you can see how nice the bend is. So it comes across on the driver's side, lots of room from the drive shaft, and comes down. And as we come down, coming towards the back of the truck, so now we're kind of in the middle, you can see the nice bends. These are the two mufflers that the client supplied for us. We've got some band clamps, and we've got lots of clamps here where needed. And then as we come near the back at the rear diff, you can see where it gets a little bit more complicated because, so you can see the mufflers are offset, and then the tricky one, they're both a little tricky, but the driver's one takes a lot more routing and angles because we have to go up and clear the gas tank. We have to come up and around the spare tire. We've got to clear the bracing, clear the spare tire and the shock, and then come back around and clear all that. So it's some fancy bending there. And then as you come down the passenger side, once again, you can see we've got some nice hangers. It's very, very stable. There's not going to be any vibration or rattling or shaking, and that's my biggest pet peeve when guys do exhaust systems. They don't brace things enough to keep it from clanging against each other or rattling. So it's very, very well put together here. And then as we come to the back, you can see obviously this is the passenger side. We had to go around the spare tire, drop down to clear the trailer hitch and the bumper, and then same thing on the driver's side. So what we've done is we've got these pipes a little bit longer on purpose, and then what will happen, our client has tailpipes to finish it off, little end tailpipes, and then we'll trim this when the pipes come in. They're just on back order. So this is a 3-inch custom exhaust, all bent here at Last Chance Auto Store. In the next video, what we'll do is we'll have the truck down. We'll do a cold start just to start it up so you can hear what the exhaust sounds like, and then we'll pull it out and it'll be ready to go to the client. So this is the 04 Dodge Hemi with a 3-inch custom exhaust. And I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.